Here's another bluegrass song. I learned it from McCoury. It's called Another Night, and it was written by Jack Adkins. The wind is blowing round the cabin. I hate to hear that lonesome sound. I'm all alone and so downhearted since you've gone through loving around. I hate to see that sun is sinking. Another night to toss and turn. Another night to dream about her. Another night for her all yearn. She had two cause to go and leave me, for I had never done her wrong. She left our home and little children. Now with another man she's gone. I hate to see that sun sinking. Another night to toss and turn. Another night to dream about her. Another night for her all yearn. Her children, they are soundly sleeping. They don't know their mother's gone. What will I do when they waken? Can I tell them their mother's wrong? I hate to see that sun is sinking. Another night to turn. Another night to dream about her. Another night for her all year.